Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You know, back in my 20s when I lived in LA and I was in the film business, once in a while, I'd go out late night, Friday night, Saturday night, have a few, and on the way home, two places we'd either stop. In-N-Out Burger or Tommy's Original. Tommy's Original, everything was chili. Chili fries, chili dogs, chili burgers. Well, I think I got the recipe down tight, and we're gonna recreate Tommy's chili today. So we're doing it next, so stick around. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's get started on this Tommy's Original chili. First thing we're gonna do is take half a white onion, and we're gonna dice it up. If you don't have white, you can use yellow, that's fine. Then we're gonna get our Dutch oven out, or large pot, and we're gonna put 4 hamburger patties in there, or just over a pound of ground beef, whatever you have handy. But Tommy's always used hamburger patty because they were a hamburger joint, and that's what they had on hand. So we got the heat on medium. We're gonna break them down and cook it all the way through. Then we're gonna add about 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to the ground beef. And we'll cook that flour in the fat of the beef. This is gonna help us thicken our chili later on. There we go. So we'll mix that up and let that flour cook. And then next I've got 3.5 to 4 cups of chicken broth. We're gonna add that right into the Dutch oven with the meat. There we go. Now we'll get this mixed up real good. I still have the heat on medium. Now we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. If you don't have that, you can use white vinegar. And we'll turn the heat up to bring it to a boil. Then we'll add our spices. And then we'll mix those in real good. And while I'm doing that, if I can remind you to please like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends and family all about us. Remember to hit that little bell. That'll keep you up to date on all the newest recipes that come out. We put out a new recipe every Wednesday and Sunday at 11 a.m. Pacific time. Alright, so we've got everything in there mixed up real good. So now we got to work on thickening the chili. So we're going to leave this go to render down. We're going to put it in a different pan, about 2 tablespoons of butter. Turn the heat on medium and get that butter melted down. Then we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of flour and make a roux. We'll fry that flour for a minute or so. And then we're going to toss that right into our chili. And that is going to help thicken it. Depending on your chili and everything, you may have to do a second roux. I did, to get it to the thickness that I wanted. No big deal. There you go. Now we'll let that reduce down. Now, what are we going to do with this chili? Eat it in a bowl? No. We're going to make chili dogs. So I'll take out a
separate pan. Get some water in it. Add my hot dogs. I'm using Nathan's. You can use whatever hot dogs you desire. But I'm going to boil up those chili dogs. Get a couple buns out. And I'm going to use this great Tommy's chili and make delicious chili dogs. Tommy's would do chili dogs, they do chili fries, they do chili hamburgers. Everything at Tommy's was chili on top. So whatever you're into, there you go. A simple, delicious, easy, original chili that is unlike any other. Try it, make it. I think you'll like it. And we'll see you on the next video. All right, everybody have a great day, and we'll see you later.